Hello everyone. Let's dive into the W_Black SN7100 NVMe SSD. This drive is designed for gamers who crave speed and ample storage. The SN7100 boasts impressive read speeds of up to 7,250 MB/s and write speeds reaching 6,900 MB/s on the 1 TB and 2 TB models. WD claims this is a significant performance jump, up to 35% faster than their previous generation. This SSD utilizes a PCIe Gen 4 interface and TLC 3D NAND, making it a solid choice for demanding gaming and content creation tasks. It comes in capacities up to 4 TB, providing plenty of space for large game libraries and project files. One of the key features of the SN7100 is its power efficiency. WD has optimized it for laptops and handheld gaming devices, claiming up to 100% better power efficiency compared to the last generation. This means longer battery life during those intense gaming sessions on the go. Endurance is also a strong point. The 4 TB model offers up to two 400 TBW, ensuring the drive can handle a heavy workload over its lifespan. This is great news for content creators who frequently write large files. The W_Black SN7100 is an internal M.2 2280 form factor drive, making it compatible with most modern laptops, desktops, and even some handheld gaming consoles. Installation is straightforward, as it's an internal hard drive. Overall, the W_Black SN7100 appears to be a well-rounded NVMe SSD that delivers on both speed and storage capacity. Its power efficiency and high endurance make it a compelling option for gamers and content creators alike, especially those who use laptops or handheld devices. If you're looking for a fast and reliable storage upgrade, the SN7100 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.